If you're watching Financial Future late Wednesday night or early Thursday morning, I want you to stay right here because we have an important update regarding VA and Social Security payments that are beginning to move through the system right now. For many of you, this monthly deposit is not optional money. It's rent. It's groceries. It's prescriptions, utilities, and peace of mind. So today's update matters. Some viewers are already seeing deposits marked as pending. Others see funds fully available. And many are asking the same question. Why did someone else get paid, but I haven't yet? By the end of this video you'll know what's actually happening, who this Thursday payment activity applies to, what your bank is doing behind the scenes, what's normal, what's not, and exactly what steps to take if your money hasn't shown up yet. No hype. No scare tactics. Just clear, steady information so you can breathe a little easier today. If you receive SSI, SSDI, Social Security Retirement, Survivor Benefits, VA Disability, or VA Pension, this update is for you. There's been a lot of confusion online about a so-called Thursday payment. Some are calling it a bonus. Others say it's a delay. A few are even claiming permanent changes. Let's clear this up immediately. This is not a bonus. This is not a cut. Nothing permanent has changed. This is simply timing. Payments are being sent according to the regular federal payment schedule. Because of how the calendar falls this month and how banks process transactions, some deposits are appearing on Thursday. No new stimulus. No emergency payment. No surprise legislation. This is routine money moving through the system. The key thing to remember is this: the government sends the payment. Your bank decides when you see it. SSI is usually paid on the 1 of the month. If the 1SD falls on a weekend or holiday, payment is sent on the previous business day. If your scheduled date lines up with this Thursday processing window, you may see funds pending or posted today. If not, your payment will follow the normal calendar. SSDI is paid based on your birth date. Born 1/10/2 Wednesday. Born 11/23 Wednesday. Born 21/31 for Wednesday. If your Wednesday payment date just passed, Thursday is often when banks finish posting the deposit. This does not mean a new payment. It's processing. These follow the same Wednesday schedule unless you started benefits before May 1997. If you're in that group, your payment is usually scheduled for the 3rd of each month. If the 3 falls on a weekend or holiday, it shifts to the nearest business day. Again, Thursday posting can simply reflect your bank's timing. VA benefits are typically paid on the first business day of the following month for the prior month. Depending on weekends, holidays, and your bank's policy, some people see their VA funds appear earlier in the processing window. Nothing extra was added. Nothing was taken away. Here's the reality. Some banks credit deposits immediately. Some wait until settlement. Some show pending. Some show nothing until fully posted. If your neighbor uses a credit union that releases funds early, they may see money before you even though both payments were sent at the same time. That's a bank policy difference, not a government issue. Pending equals the bank sees the money coming, but it's not finalized. Posted equals funds are fully available. Seeing pending does not mean something is wrong. Electronic processing. Paper checks at mailing time, several days or more. If you receive checks by mail, allow extra time before assuming there's a problem. What if your payment hasn't arrived yet? Follow this step-by-step plan. Wait 3 full business days after your official payment date. Check your bank account directly, not just alerts. Log into your MySSA account, if applicable. Review deductions, Medicare Part B, overpayments, withholdings. If there's still no explanation after 3 business days, then contact SSA or VA. Most delays resolve on their own within normal processing time. Many of you live on fixed incomes. Every dollar matters. When deposits feel uncertain, stress follows, and that's understandable. But today's update is about timing, not loss. There are no benefit reductions, no category eliminations, no silent policy changes. This is routine calendar movement.